Imagine waking up to check your phone, and you see a notification that says, "You made $120 while you were asleep." Sounds too good to be true, right? But in 2025, this is becoming a reality for many people who are using AI tools to make money online. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword for big corporations or tech experts. It's something that everyday people like you and me are using to create new income streams, automate work, and save hours every single week. The good news is that you don't need to be a tech genius or invest thousands of dollars up front. With the right tools, you can start earning money through AI. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to 5 AI tools that can help you make money in 2025, even if you're just starting out. These tools are beginner-friendly, and they'll help you start building a new income stream. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time venture, from content creation to AI-driven design and even automating your day-to-day tasks, we're going to explore practical, proven tools that are already making money for people across the world. Stick with me until the end because I will be sharing a bonus AI tool that many people have not heard of yet, and it can double your productivity instantly. You'll want to stay tuned for that. Chapter 1, ChatGPT. The power of AI content creation. Let's start with one of the most popular and versatile AI tools out there. Most people associate ChatGPT with just casual conversations or asking quick questions. But did you know that it can actually help you make money? Yes, that's right. Whether you're a freelancer, blogger, or even a business owner, ChatGPT can become your go-to assistant for content creation. One of the easiest ways to start making money with ChatGPT is through freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. These platforms are flooded with people looking for high-quality content quickly, and that's where ChatGPT steps in. You can offer services like blog posts, product descriptions, social media content, and even email marketing, copywriting, all with ChatGPT's help. But here's the catch. You can't just copy-paste the text ChatGPT provides. That's not how you build a sustainable business. The real power of ChatGPT is in its ability to assist. It can help you brainstorm, create outlines, and even refine your writing. This allows you to produce high-quality content faster than your competitors, ultimately helping you take on more clients and projects, increasing your income in the process. Let me give you an example. If you're in the digital marketing space and you want to create content for businesses, you can use ChatGPT to generate email sequences for your clients, or blog posts on topics like digital marketing strategies or SEO tips. You're not just writing, you're using AI to help you do it more efficiently. Freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork charge anywhere from $25 to $150 per project. And with ChatGPT, you can create multiple projects in the same amount of time. As a beginner, the best part is you don't need to be an expert writer. ChatGPT gives you a solid starting point, allowing you to focus on refining your skills and building your reputation. The more you practice and experiment with ChatGPT, the better and faster you'll get. And that translates into more clients and more money. So, whether you're new to freelancing or looking for ways to grow your income, ChatGPT can be the perfect tool to get started. By using it strategically, you can transform this AI tool into a money-making machine. Chapter 2. Notion AI create and sell digital products. The second AI tool we're diving into today is Notion AI. And if you haven't heard of it yet, you're about to discover one of the most powerful AI tools for creating and selling digital products. Notion is already an incredibly popular productivity tool, but with the integration of AI, it becomes a game changer for anyone looking to make money online. So, how does Notion AI help you make money? One of the most lucrative ways people are using it is by creating digital products, whether it's templates, planners, goal-setting tools, or business management systems. You can use Notion's AI to generate these products quickly and sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Notion's own marketplace. For example, let's say you're someone who loves productivity and organization. You can create customized templates that help people organize their finances, plan their daily tasks, or even manage projects. Notion AI can assist in generating layouts, adding features, and customizing templates in a way that would normally take hours. With AI, you're cutting down on time spent building the product, allowing you to focus more on marketing and selling. The best part? Once you've created and uploaded these digital products, they become a source of passive income. You create them once, and they continue to sell over time without any extra effort. People have been able to make $500 to $2,000 a month selling Notion templates and digital planning systems. And all it takes is a one-time effort to set up the system and upload your products to the right platforms. If you're interested in making money with digital products, Notion AI makes the process simpler and faster than ever before, and the potential is endless. From personal finance planners to career development systems, there's a huge market for these tools. So, whether you're a creative entrepreneur or a productivity enthusiast, Notion AI gives you the tools you need to generate and sell digital products without the steep learning curve. It's a perfect side hustle or even a full-time business opportunity. Chapter 3. Midjourney turning art into profit now. Let's talk about Midjourney, an AI tool that is taking the world of digital art by storm. This tool is incredible for anyone looking to make money from creative work. But you don't need to be a professional artist to get started. Midjourney uses AI to generate stunning art and designs based on simple text prompts, making it the perfect tool for creators who want to produce high-quality images quickly. Whether you're interested in creating YouTube thumbnails, book covers, social media graphics, or even t-shirt designs, Midjourney can help you generate those designs in minutes. And the best part? You don't need any previous design experience. The AI does the heavy lifting for you. You simply tell it what you want, and it generates beautiful, original artwork. If you're thinking, but how do I make money with this? Here's the secret. You can sell these AI-generated designs. Platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Printful allow you to upload your designs and sell them as digital prints, posters, t-shirts, mugs, and other products. For instance, you can create a design related to a niche you are passionate about, such as motivational quotes, fitness, art, or even AI-themed merchandise, and sell it on a print-on-demand service. The best part is that you don't need to manage inventory or worry about shipping. The platform handles everything, and you earn money each time your design sells. Midjourney has enabled countless creators to turn their passion for art into profitable side hustles. Some creators are making over $1,000 per month by selling t-shirts, digital prints, or other merchandise with their Midjourney-generated designs. So, if you have an eye for creativity and want to monetize it, Midjourney is one of the most accessible tools for generating income from art in 2025. You can create high-quality, original designs without investing in expensive software or years of training, making it an ideal tool for beginners. Chapter 4. OpusClip AI-powered video, repurposing for income. Let's move on to OpusClip, an AI tool that's perfect for anyone interested in video content. Video is one of the most powerful mediums on the internet today, but creating content for multiple platforms can be tough. This is where OpusClip comes in. OpusClip is designed to repurpose long-form videos into shorter, more engaging clips that are perfect for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. As we know, short-form video content is exploding right now, and platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts are driving massive engagement. The issue is that creating these clips manually can take hours. Here's where OpusClip saves you time. It uses AI to automatically detect the most engaging parts of your long-form video and turns them into short, shareable clips. All you need to do is upload your content, and OpusClip handles the editing, captioning, and trimming. Now, how does this tool make you money? If you're a content creator, video repurposing allows you to post content across multiple platforms, reaching a wider audience. But that's not all. You can also offer video repurposing services to other content creators, businesses, or marketers. Video repurposing is becoming a highly sought-after service, and businesses are willing to pay anywhere from $50 to $200 per video for repurposing long-form content into short clips. Imagine this. You create a 10-minute YouTube video. Use OpusClip to make 5 to 10 short clips and post them across multiple platforms. Now, you're not just limited to one platform. You're reaching audiences everywhere, gaining more views, and building your brand. If you're consistent, this can quickly turn into a profitable business. So, If you're really looking for a way to maximize the value of your video content and increase engagement, OpusClip is the tool you need. It not only saves you time, but also helps you generate income by allowing you to repurpose your content efficiently and effectively. Chapter 5. Gamma AI. Create stunning presentations and ebooks. The last AI tool on our list today is Gamma AI, a powerful tool that allows you to create professional presentations, ebooks, and PDFs with ease. One of the biggest challenges in creating educational content or business presentations is the time it takes to design and organize everything. Gamma AI makes it effortless. For instance, you can use Gamma AI to create an ebook on a topic like financial planning or AI in business, and then sell it on platforms like Gumroad or Amazon Kindle. Instead of spending hours creating layouts, editing, and formatting, Gamma AI allows you to generate entire ebooks in minutes. And it's not just ebooks. You can create corporate presentations, workshops, or online courses using AI-generated slides and content. These materials can be sold or offered as services to businesses that need professional content for their internal training or marketing efforts. For example, a small business could hire you to create a professional financial report for investors. Using Gamma AI, you can complete this task in a fraction of the time it would normally take. And because you're using AI, you can scale your work and take on more clients, generating a consistent income stream. The beauty of Gamma AI is its speed and ease of use. Even as a beginner, you can start offering professional services in presentation design, ebook creation, or training material development, and charge businesses for your work. So there you have it, the top 5 AI tools that can make you money in 2025. These tools are designed to make your life easier, help you save time, and most importantly, create income opportunities that were once only available to big companies or tech experts. The best part, you don't need to be an AI expert or invest thousands of dollars up front to get started. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to level up your current side hustle, these tools are a perfect way to tap into the world of AI-driven income. Let's quickly recap the 5 tools we covered today: ChatGPT 4, content creation, freelancing, and writing projects; Notion AI for creating and selling digital products like templates and planners; Midjourney for turning your creative ideas into profit through digital art and design; OpusClip for repurposing long videos into short, viral clips and maximizing your content reach; Gamma AI for creating professional presentations, ebooks, and digital products that sell. The future of money isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. And these AI tools make that possible. By leveraging them, you can automate tasks, increase productivity, and unlock new income streams, all while staying ahead in the rapidly evolving digital world. Now, I want to hear from you. Which AI tool are you most excited to try first? Or maybe you've already used some of these tools to make money. Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I love hearing about how people are using these technologies to create new opportunities for themselves. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep making videos like this. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on my next video, where we'll be diving even deeper into how to start an AI side hustle from scratch. You won't want to miss it. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, the best time to start using AI to make money is now. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow over time. See you in the next one.